Hi, my name is Jared Simpson. I'm here at MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard a 2018 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. This is a one-owner boat that we spec built from Boston Whaler, and this boat, unlike most of the 420s that were built, has every single available option you could put in the 420. This has a $30,000 teak deck upgrade package. It has the upper station, as you can see, track vision, satellite TV, clear night vision, freezer plates in the fish boxes. If you come aboard, I'll show you some more. There's 600 hours on the Mercury 350 Verado power with joystick piloting and skyhook. These also have platinum extended warranties for another 3 years, so you have plenty of coverage, full-blown coverage through Mercury on the engines. Here we have a summer kitchen with an ice maker, refrigeration, and tackle storage in the center. Flip this up. This is going to give us our electric grill, sink, paper towel holder, and a prep area. The hull sides on this boat are Abaco blue, which is a metallic color with a clear coat that was done at the factory. Here we have our second row of forward-facing seating. The nice thing about this seat is that it's elevated over the helm seat, so passengers can still see when you're underway. This whole area is climate control. We have the wing curtains up right now, but this has a 360-degree full enclosure. So this whole entire helm deck area, you could have 7 or 8 people up here, climate controlled if the weather doesn't permit, and everyone's protected. This boat has the additional third screen, so it has 3 GS165 Raymarine 15-inch MFDs, 1,000-watt transducer for the bottom. It has an open array 48-mile radar, GPS chart plotter. All the 420s also have digital switching, so I can switch my lights, my power sunshade, all the features in the boat I can monitor and switch on and off through this system. Like I said, it has a joystick piloting system, digital throttle and shift. There's a security system, automatic trim tabs, automatic trim. Again, it has every option you could really put in this boat. Moving down below, if you want to walk down before me, Connor. This is the Legacy cabin interior. Flat panel TV, and like I said, it has Sat TV up on the bridge deck. Microwave behind this cabinet here. More refrigeration. Huge stand-up head with a rain shower system. Nice hull side windows, and it's a full beam cabin in this boat, where most 42s are just the width of the console. If you come up to the bow, plenty of bow seating, boat's in great shape. Under here we have a cooler, or you can use it as additional storage for canvas covers. This is a high-low power table. You have additional stereo controls up here. If you want to face forward, you have adjustable backrest to do so. Boat is a stainless steel anchor upgrade. And if you look at the tower, you can see our FLIR system, tower-mounted outriggers. And we also have another additional GPS up on the tower, so you can run up there with full instrumentation. If you like additional information, please give us a call. My number is 781-727-0629. I look forward to hearing from you.